Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. V.K. Jairaghavendra Rao, Principal Scientist, Agriculture Extension. Presently, I am posted in the ICR Indian Institute of Horticulture Research at Hesarghatta, Bangalore. And the other day, I sincerely thank uh, Dr. Premlata ji and Sangeeta ji for their extremely good efforts. It was really a conglomeration of so many professional since 1960. I was born 1963. So a solid history of about 60 years of agriculture extension. Very proud to be the alumni of IRI. I happened to take admission in the year 1996 and I passed out in 1998, and I was a senior research fellowship holder. In fact, I got through the ERS 1990, got a second rank in extension, but I didn't have a PhD. The only desire for me was that I should get a PhD from IRI. In fact, before joining IRI, I had taken admission in UAS Bangalore, I had taken admission in TNAU, and then the only desire was to join IRI and become the prestigious alumni like all of you. So, friends, that desire fructified, and I did my PhD under the chairmanship of Dr. A. Ramesh Babu. As you already know, I have a lot of regard and respect for my guide. He is a very versatile person, and I started emulating him very silently. And then he was already IT savvy in those days, and then I purchased a 486 compact machine in the year 1996 and worked on SPSS, and I was also doing some small banners and all on computer. And thanks to Dr. B.N. Chattopadhyaya, who was our now he used to take a course called Visual Graphics Communication. It was a 2+2 course, and then he taught us all the things. See, whatever we are doing, PowerPoint, and today the softwares are very good. Even in the days when the softwares were not so much, we were access to the computer, and extension division alone boasted of so many computers, and not even IASRA, let me tell you. So thanks to the division, so we had great stalwarts, Dr. B.P. Sinha, Dr. Baldev Singh, and Dr. Anita Jhamtani, Dr. Rekha Bhagatji, and of course Dr. B.N. Chattopadhyay. And then our library was very strong. So, gentlemen, I sincerely thank. And see, today I told you, yesterday I actually WhatsApped. I believe in one philosophy. Okay, it should be reskilling, okay, upskilling, and ever skilling. Every time we learn new things, and the present generation or access to all these things, and ICT in agriculture extension has taken a very front seat. So, thanks to all the effort. And today there's absolutely no subject or no domain which our agriculture extension people have ventured into. We have IAS officers, we have scientists, we have people in the Department of Agriculture, we have people in entrepreneurship, you name it, we have it. So I happen to, because of this IRA PhD, I got selected as a senior scientist in NAM in the year 2000, and 20 years I worked there. I am born 1963. I am 57 years old. Have under 5 years to retire. So I came back to Bangalore on personal reasons. But believe it, gentlemen, I have the same DNA as all you have, the IRI Extension Division DNA, and that DNA is going very strong. And I can tell you, even in NAM 20 years, many of the present generation scientists, Girjesh Mehra, Sangeeta, Burman, many of these are all my students, I could say. I don't say students, I was their facilitator. And believe it, they have all seen how the extension persons perform even in NAM. So we have given a run for the money for the other scientists. So extension guys are everywhere. I sincerely thank even Dr. Rashid, who is doing a great job in CRISP, and my own guide, Dr. Ramesh Babu. He did an MSc in computer science again, and he works for the American government. So proud, sir, about you. See, great men think alike and fools never differ. That's a very great saying. So we are all great extension professionals. We think alike, and our only way is how to diversify the subject, how the subject is all pervasive. Sarvagna Sarvashakti Sakala Guna Guna Purna Rupa Pragalbha. That means extension is the God. Okay, it is all pervasive, it is everywhere. Today, believe it, gentlemen, you may be a plant breeder, you may be anything, but without laying out demonstration, without having the first line demonstration and the on farm trials, you are nowhere. And today, commercialization of technologies, all the institutes have come out with the BPD, the Business Planning and Development Unit, where entrepreneurship, where Dr. Akhoriji was heading long back, the niche bird and all that, all those things have become a reality today in the ICR Institute. Everywhere you find extension persons, be it ICT, be it research methods, be it multimedia, be it training, we are everywhere. So I am very proud that I am in this profession and I am an alumni of IRI, and thank you once again. Just like we say, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा, okay, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा subject, agriculture extension हमारा. Jai Hind, Jai India. Thank you so much, sir.